Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in less than 1 minute, so I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. All right, I'm looking to buy at 135, so I'm watching that number over there. I want to see it drop down to 135 and go slightly below, which would allow me to buy, and that would turn that white line into green. So white means I'm trying to buy, green means I have been able to buy. All right, just wanted to double check on something here. Yeah, 130 here. All right, I will pause, and I should note I am doing options. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide, and I will link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. It'll walk you through terminology, how they work, all of that. Don't be intimidated. I know sometimes people hear options and they run the other direction. And they can be made intimidating. Don't get me wrong. They can be made complicated, but they don't have to be made that way. And I approach them in more of a straightforward way. So if that's how you like to approach things, then I'm confident that guide can help you out. So we can just comment down below option guide. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pause. I have an order at 145 for a put option. And let's close for a second. I will pause. I have an order at 130 for a call. And 130 for a call. I'm going to go down to 125 now. And at, whoa. 350 in literally under a second. Again, that was green for a brief moment. When it turned from white to green, that was in. And then that one right there, that, as far as I can tell, that turned green instantly. So that, I mean, the times show right there that it was 1 second, 9:41:07 to 9:41:08. But as far as I could tell, that was even less than 1 second. I mean, I'm not complaining, but that was extremely fast. And in hindsight, wow, I'd be up $1,500 now on it a minute later. But that is hindsight trading, and it's easy to sit here and armchair quarterback yourself with hindsight in your favor. But yeah, I'm also not going to complain about $350 in 1 second. All right, well, a nice start there. I will pause. Have an order at 117 here. 115 might be a better entry. In there at 115 and out for $250 on that one. And that whole trade lasted 6 seconds. So 6 seconds, $250. We are an hour and 10 minutes into the day. I'm up $600, and I think I'm just going to call that good. I want to move on with my day. Don't really feel like, well, I take that back. There's some good action happening right now. So I don't want to walk away just because. If there's some good action, well then maybe I can get another trade from it. So let me throw an order down here at 125. And if somehow it comes down and fills me as I talk, then I guess it would be another trade. But yeah, maybe we got a chance there. We'll see if it wants to. Come down even more. But no, now it's just been doing what I've been sitting around. Notice small little candle. Big candle, small candle. Sure, that might get a little bit bigger, but I don't really feel like sitting around now at this point. And just as context for you new viewers of the channel, for you old viewers, I know you're sick of me saying this, but for you new viewers, I have many streams of income. So sure, you're like, wait, $600? I saw so-and-so make on social media $6,000. And I'll just assume that that's even real. But well, good for that person. But that person, we just have different goals. I don't need to make $6,000. And for me, I have multiple streams of income. I do this for the freedom of time. And that's what multiple streams of income allows for, and why I preach to everybody, have many streams of income. That's why I call day trading a side hustle, because it's not my only stream of income. When you have many streams of income, you can gain what, in my opinion, is the ultimate wealth: freedom of the schedule, freedom of the calendar, when you can pick and choose what you want to do with your time. Maybe for you, the ultimate wealth is a private jet. And I hope you go and get that then. I hope you find accomplishment in that. But for me, as a father of 6 kids, I want the freedom of the schedule. So that's what I'm after. And if I can put $600 in my, excuse me, $600 in my pocket, well, with commissions, $595 in my pocket for an hour and 10 minutes worth of quote unquote work, then that is certainly worth my time. So again, if you want to learn more about options, just comment below option guide and I will link you to that. But thanks for watching. Take care and have a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.